Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to make inspirational quote posters for social media in Canva. Alright, so the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Canva web application, which of course I have done right here. And the next thing I'm going to show you is how to start the creative design processes. So there are two ways to get your design started. First, to create your design from scratch by clicking on this create a design button at the top left corner of your screen, top right corner rather, and then you can also click on template at the mid left corner of your screen. So once you click on the create a design button, it means you're starting your design from scratch. And if you click on the template button, it means you want to browse a wide array of templates which will help facilitate your creative processes. So for this tutorial, we're going to make use of the template option. So I'm just going to click that up and it's going to take you to the templates window, or like I'll call it, the world of templates. So right here in this template is loading up. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. All right. So check the top corner of your screen right here in this templates window. You're going to see the search bar. So in this search bar, we're going to be very sincere with Canva, because if you're not specific in your request, you'll not get exactly what you want. So in this search bar, I'm just going to type in inspirational. So this is inspirational quote poster, okay, for social media. Like I said, you have to be very sincere so you can get your response. So ta-da, here you go. So these are inspirational quote poster for social media templates, and you're going to see a lot of designs that have already been created. So all right, so you're going to see like really exciting designs. But then to bust your bubbles, I'd like you to know that the best designs on Canva must be paid for. So that's why they have this pro label on the designs to show that you have to click on this Try Canva Pro to subscribe to the premium version of Canva. But there are still amazing designs that you can use for free. So you can just explore the free designs and tweak them, and keep tweaking to create the best design of your choice. So right here, we're looking for inspirational quotes, and we're looking for the best templates that we can use that can be used for free. All right, so I think I like this template. This is really cool, but then it's not free, but this is really nice, and we can get this for our inspirational quote. So right here, if you scroll the way down, you're going to see more options, but then we're going to stick with this. So I'm going to click on customize this template button, and it's going to take me to the editing suite. So right here, you can now manipulate a lot of elements to get exactly what you want. So this is where you have all of your tips, tricks, templates, and whatever. This is where you can just, put one or two together, design, pick elements, pick text, pick uploads, pick draw, pick project, whatever you want to use to get the best result. So the first thing I'm going to show you right here is how to use the slider. So check the bottom of your screen, you're going to see the slider. If you take it backward, it means you're zooming out, and then if you take it forward, you're zooming in. So I like to zoom in so that I can get the best of the design, right? So zooming in makes me get a better picture of what I'm designing. So right here, I'm going to show you how you can use text. All right, so you can use the text right here, how you can manipulate the text, and of course other elements in here. So we have the text, right? If I want to change the text, there's something, you see, there are really amazing stuff written here, but then I want to use another quote that I like or that I prefer. Okay, so I'm going to continue editing, like I said, ensure that you have a stable internet connection. So right here, to take all of this completely, to get rid of these these write-ups, right, so that I can put in what I want. All I just need to do is to double click, like left click, double click. And so once you double click, you see that's already highlighted. Now I can change this quote to my favorite quote or your favorite quote. So I'm going to use let's say double click, please. All right. So this is me typing in, all right, your, so physical appearance is your best moment of truth. Best moment of truth. Awesome. Okay, so I'm just gonna have to put this exclamation mark that just emphasizes the whole thing. So as you can see, I don't really like the fact that the text is just here, like it's not very insignificant. You can see this design is not complete. So I want to increase the text, all right, the text size. So I can just click on that and head over here to font size, and I increase it to, let's say, 90. That's a lot, right? So let's make it 70. Yeah, I think this is cool. So I want to make this bold. So I'm just gonna head over to bold to make it bold, bold, bold. And as you can see, this is already forming to be something really nice. So I want to align this. So I'm just going to move this right so that it can be, okay, your physical appearance is the first moment of truth. This is really motivational. So it means you have to be very intentional about how you look. Okay, so here you have Mark Twain. So the person that wrote this is, okay, so let's say this is Pastor Benjamin. Okay, so this is the person that made this quote. So the next thing we're gonna have to do is to reduce this font size because you can see it's already out of place. So I'm moving it to 15, and 15 is really small. So let's say 19, still small. Let's say 23. Okay, this is piecing up, but I'm going to stretch it from here so I don't get to like change it again. So like I said, you can just manipulate. You can just stretch it from there and, you know, make this fit. Yeah, so I don't really like the fact that it's not fit, so I can make it 22, and then you can see that there are more space. So I would like you to know that when you're designing, space is the key element in designing. So space literally makes your design very beautiful. Yeah, so this is your physical appearance is your first moment of truth. Now check the background, right? If I want to change this background to be something, you know, more exciting, I can change the background by using this element. So you can head over to elements and get to pictures, search for any elements that you want, you know, that can bring this out. All right, or get to upload any picture of your choice. But I don't want to add pictures to this. I just want to make it really nice. So I can literally leave this design, but then I want to show you how to change it. So I can choose to change the background color by clicking here. So here is the color palette. So you see this, the top corner, and right here I can go all the way down. I like the mixed colors, so I can choose any of these mixed colors. Yeah, so this is really nice for me. Okay, especially this one's better. So here you go. I have that, like, your physical appearance with past moment of truth. Now after downloading this, I can take it to my social media platforms, and tada, people are going to, you know, engage. All right, so here you can definitely tweak an element to what you want. Use any of these. You can even add more text, or you can even change the font itself. So this is this is the font Alio Light. So you can change it. Click on that drop down menu icon and choose any of the fonts here available. Now once you're done, don't forget to check the top right corner of your screen and click on share. Once you get to share, click on download option and download this piece of beauty. Now once you're done, you can share. Now go through this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously.